This is observatory. Got the sliding glass doors in. Placing all the windows, broken windows, and then we got a couple new windows we installed it also. Guys are in the trees right now, cutting the trees away from the house. Electricians are inside doing the final wiring. City will be back on Friday after we cut the trees because there was too many trees in the way for them to run the line. So Friday, we got them scheduled for Friday to come run our line back. But we do have our green permit. The red tag is just for the line not being there. There's the drain for the washer we were talking about. It's not connected to the drain underneath the ground. Now we'll be cutting this tree down also over the neighbor's house. And I already cleared around the street. Got new windows in. Wires being put in. Framed out the new walls there. This is the observatory. Here in the backyard. Here's the pine tree that we ready to cut down. The big pine, no longer there. Now the city came out today and said that we had to cut this side. I don't want to cut this tree because it's such a beautiful tree, but we're going to have to cut this limb going all the way up. All right. Right around this area to get to this pole. So they can run our line. There's the pole. And that's what we have to clear. We pretty much have to clear out all this. I don't want to take too much down because, like I said, the tree is very healthy. And it's really a beautiful tree, so. And there's the pine tree we cut down. That thing was old and it was coming down, so. The guys will be back out here tomorrow to complete, but they're going to cut this today because we want the city to come back here tomorrow, see if you can see the lines, to run our power to the house.